Hey, what's up guys? Wes here with Rocky Mountain, and we are out on a ride today enjoying the beautiful scenery and the Nevada desert. But I wanted to take the opportunity to show you what I carry in my tank bag so you can always be prepared. Now first things first, let's look at the tank bag that I've got. So this is the Tusk Olympus large tank bag in the tan orange colorway. I've been running this for a long time. I'm usually running a large bag because I'm typically carrying a camera in my tank bag. But today we're just out here scouting for the RM Adventure Rally. So I've got a normal setup. So right here on top, you've got the elastic bungees. I always store my gloves here when I'm off the bike or gassing up, stuff like that. They keep them nice and secure. And then under that, you can see you've got your clear mat pocket. I'll usually store stuff up here that I like to keep out of the way, stuff that could clutter my tank bag. If it was down in the main compartment, it keeps those kind of like less common items there and organized. So I've got stickers in here. I've got Rocky Mountain gift cards in case you run into fans out on the trail. And I've got gum and just my extra cords here. And then we'll open this thing up. All right, so inside here, starting from the top, you can see you've got access to that clear mat pocket right here, and then you've got a mesh zippered pocket here. So this is where I like to keep my ibuprofen, vitamin I, ride candy, if you will. And then we're looking at the main compartment now. The thing I love about these Tusk Olympus tank bags is all the organization. So it really allows you to maximize your space with all the different small items that you're keeping in here. I'll pull my action camera out here, and then you can start to see that organization. So we'll just go through and show you what I've got. So I've got my other batteries for my action camera right there. I've got some clear glasses, which you always want to keep in a nice little case or sleeve to keep them from getting scratched up. I always run a tinted shield on my helmet for the sun. That keeps my nose and cheeks from getting too sunburned. You know, if you get caught in the dark or you're trying to get to camp, we always have long days on the bike. So you've always got to have your clear glasses. Got sunscreen here, just in case. I've got hand sanitizer right here, and then my tire gauge right here. So all easy access items. You can see how clean and neat that is. Moving back, we've got bug spray. I've got a lighter, chapstick, and my lens cleaner set up. We've got the Tusk plastic and lens cleaner in the little bottle that keeps it nice and convenient in your tank bag. And then I've got my microfiber rag here too for cleaning my glasses and my face shield. Next up, I got my headlamp. I always keep this in my tank bag. This is something that you do not want to be looking for in the dark. I love keeping that in my tank bag. Couple other items. I've got some snacks in here for easy access. And then I always pack a knife with me. This one's a little Milwaukee one, so it's got a flat blade and a Phillips on it. So easy access tools. And then I also keep a multi-tool in here. So pliers, also gives you another knife and just some other tools like that. So quick, easy trail repairs when you don't want to unpack the main tools that you're carrying. And that's pretty much it. So I know that everybody does it a little differently, but I've got a whole list of everything I like to keep in here, and I can refill when I need to, but I keep this all together so the tank bag is always ready to go. I can move it from bike to bike if I need to, and I know I've got everything I need on the trail. So yeah, if you guys have any other items that you like to carry in your tank bag, please comment below. I'm curious to know how you guys are packing yours. Like, subscribe, and check out our other RM Rides content on the RM Rides YouTube channel. Catch you guys later.